Bats are intriguing creatures that belong to the order Chiroptera and are the only mammals capable of sustained flight. With a rich history spanning millions of years, bats have adapted to diverse environments across the globe. In this video, we will delve into the various aspects of bat life, including their physical characteristics, appearance, temperament, behavior, intelligence, variance, birth and reproduction, diet, conservation status, and share some interesting facts before drawing a conclusion. History. Bats have a remarkable evolutionary history that dates back over 50 million years. Fossil records suggest that bats originated from small insect-eating mammals. They diversified and adapted to occupy a range of habitats, becoming one of the most successful mammalian orders on Earth. Physical characteristics. Bats display a wide array of physical characteristics. They possess elongated fingers covered in a thin membrane called the patagium, which allows for flight. Most species have large ears and excellent hearing capabilities, enabling them to navigate through echolocation. Additionally, bats exhibit a broad spectrum of sizes, with some weighing less than a gram, while others can reach a wingspan of over a meter. Appearance. While bat species vary greatly in appearance, they often possess distinct features that help with identification. Their wings can be elongated or broad, and their fur may range in color from light browns and grays to vibrant hues like red, yellow, or orange. Bats come in various sizes, from the bumblebee bat, which is the smallest mammal, to the giant golden-crowned flying fox, which is one of the largest bat species. Temperament and behavior. Bats are generally docile and non-aggressive creatures. They are predominantly nocturnal, emerging at dusk to feed on insects, nectar, fruits, or blood, depending on the species. Bats are highly social animals and often form large colonies or roosts, where they communicate with each other using a combination of vocalizations, body postures, and scents. Their ability to navigate through echolocation helps them locate prey and avoid obstacles during flight. Intelligence. Bats exhibit remarkable intelligence, particularly in their ability to navigate complex environments and find food sources using echolocation. They can quickly adapt their flight patterns to changing conditions and demonstrate problem-solving skills. Some species display remarkable memory and cognitive abilities, allowing them to locate specific roosts and remember complex migration routes. Variants. There are over 1,400 known bat species, divided into two main categories: megabats and microbats. Each variant has unique adaptations and behaviors. Megabats typically have a larger size, feed on fruits and nectar, and rely less on echolocation. Microbats are smaller, primarily insectivorous, and rely heavily on echolocation for navigation and hunting. Birth and reproduction. Bats exhibit various reproductive strategies. Most species give birth to live young, with a gestation period ranging from 40 days to 6 months, depending on the species. The young are born relatively undeveloped and cling to their mothers for care and protection. Bats generally have small litter sizes, often giving birth to a single pup per year. Diet. Bats showcase diverse dietary preferences. Insectivorous bats primarily feed on insects, including mosquitoes, moths, and beetles, contributing to natural pest control. Fruit bats consume nectar, pollen, and fruits, serving as crucial pollinators and seed dispersers. A few species, such as the vampire bat, have adapted to feed on the blood of other animals. Conservation status. Bats face numerous conservation challenges, including habitat loss, climate change, and disease outbreaks, such as white-nose syndrome. Despite their ecological significance, bats are often misunderstood and subjected to negative perceptions. Many bat species are currently threatened or endangered, emphasizing the need for conservation efforts to protect their populations and habitats. Interesting facts. Bats make up about 20% of all mammal species. Some species can live for over 30 years. Bats are the only mammals that are capable of sustained flight. The largest bat colony in the world consists of millions of Mexican free-tailed bats. Bats play a crucial role in pollination and seed dispersal for various plant species. Vampire bats possess anticoagulant saliva, allowing them to obtain blood meals from animals without causing significant harm. Conclusion: bats are extraordinary creatures that have thrived for millions of years. Their unique physical characteristics, diverse behaviors, and ecological importance make them an integral part of our planet's ecosystems. By dispelling misconceptions and promoting conservation efforts, we can ensure the long-term survival of these fascinating creatures and appreciate their remarkable contributions to the natural world.